Hi there, students. Perpetuity. Perpetuity, a noun. Very often in the phrase in perpetuity or for perpetuity. Okay, I'm sure you all know the word perpetual. Well, perpetual is an adjective, but perpetuity is the noun. Perpetuity means forever, endless, for eternity. Philosophers and scientists were thinking about the universe and whether perpetuity was something that existed within the universe, if it lasted forever. Okay. Most commonly we see this in perpetuity, meaning lasting forever. So this piece of land has been transferred to the use of the Indian tribe in perpetuity, for all time, never ending, until time ceases, forever. Yeah. In perpetuity, lasting forever. I gave this to the state in perpetuity. The owner of the castle left the castle and the land to the state in perpetuity. This is like a legal phrase, meaning something that lasts forever, the quality of lasting forever. Okay, you can also use this in legal or finance. In perpetuity or a perpetuity. For example, an annuity is money that is paid every year. And if this is paid in perpetuity, it is paid for all of the life of the person who owns it. Or a bond, for example, with no fixed maturity date is also a perpetuity. Okay, so in perpetuity, it just means forever, lasting forever. I shall love you in perpetuity. Yeah, it's a great word. Yeah, something that's perpetual. Something that will continue until the end of time. Yeah, the government gave the land to the native tribes in perpetuity. Yeah, this was not something that was ever going to end. Okay, so in perpetuity, time without end. Yeah, infinite, forever, permanently, for keeps, for good. Okay, so perpetuity, yeah, that's maybe something that's beyond our real imagining. Yeah, can you imagine perpetuity? I can't imagine infinite time. I'm sure perpetuities are God must exist in perpetuity if he exists. Okay, so eternally, for eternity. Yeah, forever. Okay, as to origin, well, this word comes from Latin, perpetuas, okay, meaning perpetual, everlasting, continuous. And that itself comes from per, peto, and us. Per, through, I think, and peto, ask, or request, or to seek. Okay, so to seek through, I guess to seek through time. Okay, and then formality, perpetuity, in perpetuity. This sounds really legal and formal. I'm going to give it 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Use it in semi-formal and formal writings. Okay, yeah. He wrote his name on the wall to let everybody see that he'd been here in perpetuity. Well, in this case, just for a very long time. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Perpetuity, in perpetuity, for perpetuity.